Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu Oraifite. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu na temple. Anyị na-agba afọ miri emi n'ụkwazụ ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu, isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ distorted souls. That's dark souls. Yes. Distorted souls, those souls who are one day they confuse Nandwa. I've told you times without number that this world is overpopulated. Then when they know that this gross material world they say no here, they don't have any business here. They are clueless. I can tell you, now 60% of the people on earth now are not supposed to be here. It's only 40%. These 60% are distorted souls. They are distorted souls because they are not supposed to be here at this particular time. Some of them questioning in other realms, pending when they long for it to be here. Then, by the mercy of Chukwu, another opportunity might still be granted to them when they long for perfection, and they will be permitted to reincarnate here on earth. But some of them are not prepared for it. They are not ready for change. They are not supposed to be here. They are still languishing in pain and agony. So, but here I call Shiabu now in the dark region where they are, that they don't have any business here. But because of some of our women and that are not genuine women, people I will call not being genuine women, those women that have lost what they are, they have in them. And when you hear one, they're passive in nature, that genuine woman, because I can tell you, not every woman here on earth are genuine. I can tell you, about a greater number of genuine women. But those women that their primary purpose is to seduce men, to force men into materialism by coercing them in one way or the other, helping men to remain down instead of being supportive to men, for men to be where they're supposed to be. Because men we are the head, but a woman shall compass a man. A woman is supposed to be helping us to be where we're supposed to be. But when the woman is no longer genuine, she have lost the track, and they want to do way. Instead of supporting the man, is keep pulling the man down. Some of my people know some of them spiritual awakening. Now, those women, when they conceive, because their vibration is already corrupt, it has been polluted. Their mindset and their wishes is no longer noble the way it should be. Therefore, the spiritual vibration is already polluted. Therefore, when it's time, at the middle of pregnancy, when the spirit will take form, possession of that particular growing baby in the womb, instead of a baby, a genuine spirit from the luminous heart to reincarnate, it will now, the woman vibration will attract those distorted souls, dark souls from the other region, from the dark realms, to reincarnate. And once those spirits reincarnate, their primary purpose on earth is to cause pain. You call them men of underworld, you call them kidnappers, you call them evil men, you call them... Their primary purpose is to make this world not to be a better place for human living. They derive joy in causing pain. They derive joy in seeing you in pain. Everything their primary purpose here on earth is to make sure that you keep suffering. Their primary purpose, harder than working harder than wine. But ihe niile ha na-eweta na ndụ abụ to make this world a terrible place. That is the sign ị ga-eji wee ma these souls na-ekwu maka ya. Ka m kwụsị ebe a. What have I said? Nwa jụ na nkụzi a ma ọ bụ na ịchọ ka agbara gị afa miri ebi chat me WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 08057837672. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị. Izi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụwuo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwu keep me here and be with you all. May you be protected. May you be blessed now and forevermore.